Hey everyone, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your Automotive Advisor here at Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some cool tips and tricks that you don't know about the 10th Gen Honda Civic, alright? So as you guys are watching this, you guys have any questions, drop any comments down below. If you guys are in the market, you know what to do. Over here is my contact information. Give me a call. I'd be glad to show you guys how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, alright? Now as you're watching this video, please keep in mind, some of these features are only available on selective trims too. Okay, so let's go over there and kind of show you what you're missing out now today, all right? All right, so we have our electrical parking brake right here. You guys can tell it's activated because of the red light, and then the red light up here says brake, right? So every time you get into the car, you shift from park to drive or reverse, and you don't have your seatbelt on, it would not allow you, as you apply into the gas, for it to release, but you have an automatic release. So when I got my seatbelt on, right now, as you can see, we'll still have your electrical parking brake on from those 2 points, and we're in drive. Guess what? I step on the gas, it automatically releases, and now we're driving away. That easy. Just buckle up, and you're set for success. All right, so one thing I learned is life's like a video game. You're always trying to level up, get to the next level, right? Well, let's talk about your fuel efficiency game, okay? As you know, you already have amazing fuel economy, but if you want to take that to the next level, you have a visual coach. Let me show you your awesome new visual coach. All right, so we get the vehicle on and running. Your visual coaching is going to be right over here for us, so you can see that. It's going to be the fuel efficiency backlights we're going to be looking at. It's going to be these white bars right over here. Now, cool thing about this, how it's going to be visually coaching you to improve on your fuel economy is by color changing, all right? White is we're not being fuel efficient. Green, we are. So let's say I put this in drive, and get driving, you can see how it changes colors. There's your visual coach. So let's imagine I'm out there driving around, just cruising, not paying attention to my fuel gauge, right? I run out of gas. This is a very embarrassing moment because I have to call my wife now and say, honey, come save me, I ran out of gas, all right? At home, all I have is collapsible nozzle emergency gas cans that I use in my garage, right? Well, as you guys know, we have the capless gas tank here. If you put that collapsible nozzle in there, try to pull out, it's gonna get stuck. But you know what? You can use that. There's a way. I'm gonna show you the emergency fuel funnel that we have in the trunk, all right? Let me go show you guys how this can make your day. All right, so the first step, we need to get into the trunk. So we're gonna come over here, release the trunk, pull that button down, pops right open. We're gonna open up our gas door, come right back here. Right underneath with a spare tire, you're gonna have this nice emergency funnel. Throw it right in there. Now we're set for success. Let's use that gas can now and get back on the road. All right guys, so I just got out to my car and I realized that my car battery's dead, right? I can't get it into the trunk. I have supplies here in the trunk that I need to get out, all right? And the car is all locked up. So what you're gonna need to do is get your key, unlock the front door, just like that. Normally, I would just hit the trunk release, but dead car battery, can't do it. So I need to unlock the back door, come back here, pull that right open. Now I have access to that, right? Now right over here, we're gonna have a release. I'm gonna put this on the back windshield so you guys can see what I'm doing. Take your key, put it right into that slot, pops right open, and then pull this right there. Just pulled it, and guess what? Trunk release just popped right open. Now I can get all my supplies. All right, so let's say we're driving around down the road at nighttime, right? We're driving at night. I got this bright screen here and it's bugging me. I can't see what's going on because, you know, it's bright. Or maybe it's the other way around. Maybe I'm driving around during the daytime and I can't see the screen. It's not bright enough. You know what? We can adjust the brightness of the screen to completely shut it off or fully blast the brightness on this. Let me show you right now. So you got this nice little tab right up here, right? You see this little tab? You can tap it. So as you can see right now, I have fully bright. Then, not fast enough. Then you can adjust the brightness. As you can see, this is all the way lowered. It's not completely off. So it may still bug me during my nighttime driving. Well, all you have to do is select this, hold it down, then boom, it's completely off. Now turn that back on again. When I get back into the car, all I have to do is just tap that button or tap any button from there, and then I can adjust the brightness on the fly again, all right? There we go. So here we are at the touchscreen. There's a lot of cool customizations that you can do with your touchscreen on the Sport and above, all right? So let's kind of show you some of those here quick. For example, you can change the color of your back screen color here, all right? So let's say right now I'm in a modern steel metallic car. I have with a red background, but you know, I don't want to use a red because I'm not in a red car. I want to change that color. All you have to do is hit settings. We're going to select system. From system, you have background color. It's red right now. Let's select that, hit next, and then we can change the colors right here. Which one do you guys like? Which one are you going to use? Drop it down in the comments. Hey, purple's my favorite color. I don't know what you guys want to have to say about that, but there it is. That easy. Hit home. I'm liking it. So after changing the color, maybe I want to change a couple more things with the touchscreen. You can. All you have to do for a live wallpaper is hold down this button, change wallpaper. You have some options right after that comes right up. I have a USB drive right now plugged in. So if I want to do gallery, I can change that. I'm going to do a live wallpaper so you guys can see some options right there. You have all this list of options that you can select. I'm going to do a random one here. Give it a second. There it is. And then I can hit set wallpaper, and then there we go. You have the nice purples to highlight it around the buttons. With the background behind that is going to be a live wallpaper. Wow, check it out. I got a new, different look, different skin right there for my buttons. I'm going to show you how to change that so you can see exactly what I see, or when you're at this, how to change it back right now, okay? So it's pretty nice. So what we're going to do, we're going to select settings. From settings, we're going to select system. We're going to scroll all the way down, right? Let's keep going. All the way down. Oops. Accidentally hit the OK back button. Skin change right here. Select next. And yes. And then there we go. We're back to the wallpaper or the live wallpaper we had previously before that. Now let's say I want to change the background again from this. I don't want to use that darn live wallpaper. How do I do that? Once again, guys, we're going to have a USB down below plugged in with that extender cable right there. So all I have to do is hit this, hold this back of the screen, change wallpaper. I'm going to select gallery. This is what's all on my flash drive right now. I got a whole bunch of photos of the kids, of course. Look at these crazy monsters. Then let's go ahead and select one, right? Here we go. Here's Zoe and Cameron being silly. Then you can change on how wide this is going to look. Let's get those monsters right in there. Perfect. That was a long time ago. There we go. We'll select that. Now I'm changing that. Boom. Here we are. So now I got the photo of the kids right there. Here's a bonus tip for you guys. So let's say you got your live wallpaper in the back here, right? Or a custom background and you want to have it go back to default. There's a way that you can do that. It's going to be easy to remove. Just click in the back here, change wallpaper, come to wallpaper, and then look, you got these colors right here in the back. So you can also change the color from there, select, and there we go. It's that easy. Hey guys, so everything that I have learned throughout life is that we all love a good cheat code or a couple hidden menus. And that's right, there's going to be 2 hidden menus within your touchscreen that allows you to unlock the internet browser on your touchscreen. I'm going to show you how to access that right now. So when you have unlocked everything, it's going to be right there, your browser. Most likely you don't have that right this second. Now to access your first hidden menu, all you have to do is hold down these 3 buttons. You got your brightness, your volume, and then you got your phone. So let's go ahead and get a couple hands right up there, hold all this down, and then boom, there it is. So you guys can look around at this stuff, kind of play around, just be careful as you do that. Now to access the second menu, all you have to do, 1 button, the phone, hold that down for a few seconds, right? And then there's your second menu. The thing that we're going to be looking for is going to be special functions settings. Let's select that, cancel your Android restriction, and then you just hit the return button from here. And then there we go. So now your internet browser will be unlocked, okay, from there. Now you're going to need to connect yourself to the Wi-Fi or your hotspot to use that internet browser. I have already done that to get going. Now to access that, you just touch the top of the screen, right, scroll down, you hit this little button right up there, and then you have your Wi-Fi. Right now it's probably off. You want to turn that on, all right? Go ahead, turn that on, select it, and then you can select your phone and where you're connecting. And there we go. I'm already connected. I hit home, select the internet browser, and then boom. It will load up your internet from there, all right? Now you have access to internet, guys. Drive safe as you use this, please. So this one's going to be for the driver's interface right here for you guys, all right? You can change what you want to visually see on your driver's interface right over here, all right? You just select this button, and you can see where you're going to be selecting. Good news is that you can clean this up if there's certain things on here that you don't want, or if you want to add a couple of things too as well, all right? So all you have to do is come over here to your touch screen, select Settings, select System, and then we come here to your configuration, and then you can re-edit the order on these. All you have to do is click, and then you can drag these. So once you kind of, there we go, reorganize, hit OK, and then I can remove, or even add, and hit OK, and then from there. That easy. So now when I come back over here, it's automatically updated like that, and everything's the way I want it from there. Now, as we're talking about the driver's interface, you also have this tachometer right up here. All right, I kind of like it. Some people may not like it. You may want to clean it up a little bit and have that removed. There is an easy way on how to get that removed. It's a click of a couple buttons right over here on the legendary touchscreen. So all you have to do is select Settings. You can go to System, click Tachometer Settings, select Off, and then boom. It's cleared up just like that. Just go right back in there. You can turn it right back on if you change your mind. All right, so it's a really hot summer day right now. You're about to run out to your car here in a few minutes. Wouldn't it be nice to let all that hot air out before you get to the car? There is a way on your selected trims now. So here we are with the key fob. With this vehicle, all you have to do is hit the unlock twice and hold. All right, so go ahead, 1, 2, hold this button down here for a few seconds, continue to hold it, and these will continue to go open right up. So now I got my side windows all open, the power moonroof is open from there, so that's gonna be great. Now there is an easy way too as well to close all this stuff without getting into the car, starting it up, and hitting the buttons. On the back of the key fob right here, you have this nice little button right here. Go ahead, slide that up, and you can pull out this beautiful key right here. So all you do is put it right in here, double tap and hold, double tap as you pull it forward. 1, 2, hold that down, and guess what? There goes the windows, there goes the power moonroof, everything closes right back up for that. And there we go. That's the key fob trick 101. Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful. Answer all of you guys' questions. Once again, if not, you know what to do. Right down there in the comments, leave your question. I'll do my best to answer those as they come across. And you guys know how to support the channel. It helps me out. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, share with a friend that's in the market or that already have purchased their Honda Civic. You never know. We may have taught them something they didn't know that had a great impact on their daily driving, all right? Well, thanks again, guys. I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.